Hello, everybody. We are going to take a look at my new place of foot trains. A new home of the WKJ GP Railroad. That was going to happen. All right. Oops. Drop some stuff here. Here we go. Stuff out of my hands. Here we go. Upper light, lower light. Okay, so inside this here building, the length is 15 feet 5 inches inside long and 11 feet 5 inches wide. Comes equipped with AC, shop lights. Look at that. There's even like a fourth level right there. Yeah. Built pretty good. So OSB walls. So everything's going to be attached to the walls. But here's the first look at that. And might as well do a little mail call here too. I didn't bring a stand for that. Let's see if you stand up there for a second while I do this. Nope, it's wanting to fall on me. Stick you down there for a second. All right, now we got a mail call. First official mail call in Texas. And it is from, there we go, Schuylkill River. John number 2. And now I am getting into stickers, so I'll be able to get something designed here, and I'll get this going myself. Let me get out of the glare. There we go. How's that look? That's a great looking sticker. Thanks a lot, John. Really appreciate it. And he sent a nice letter to go along with it, so I will catch you all later, and thanks for watching.